back to my channel. My name is Cece, and today we're gonna be doing like a first impressions of Pop Beauty. I went to an event last week, or was it 2 weeks ago, and they gave me some goodies. This is it. Yeah, it is so pretty. And it was quite low actually. I'm very surprised. They were very generous, these people. So yeah, anyways, I am gonna be doing like a first impressions. So basically in this video I'm gonna be speeding through most of it, then at the end of the day I might tell you my final thoughts. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I've got my crease. So because I want to use one of the products from Pop Beauty, I'm gonna be using the flash shadow. This is what it looks like. Looks exactly like that. So I'm gonna be applying that on my lid. Yeah, I'm just gonna apply it like that. I think I'm supposed to have put something on there first. I actually want to know how quick it dries because my lid is kind of oily and I've got hooded eyes, so if I'm not careful it might get all crusty and that. I love the way it looks. I'm gonna go get my lashes done and everything. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying this out. So this is the 24K face base. You see, you should shake it before apply it. The consistency is a bit weird. It's a bit jelly like that, a bit watery at the same time, so I don't know. I know I'm looking like a Oompa Loompa right now, so do not worry about that. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Pop Beauty foundation. So I'll be using that as a concealer as I don't have my own shade. Okay, I am back. I'm gonna be trying this. I already dug my fingers in it, so sorry about that. Let's see. Let's go into this. I'm gonna add that on top of this one. Okay, now I am glowing to the gods. Alright, let's try the lipsticks. So I'm gonna go for, okay, this is nearly nude, so I'm definitely gonna need a lip liner for this one. Alright, so I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild pencil. So this is nearly nude. Smells so good. This is actually my kind of nude, although I think I will use a darker lip liner because like I'm about to be looking ashy though. So let's go for the other one. This is Marvelous Mauve. So I'm gonna be adding the lip topper. I'll be adding that on my lips. This is the Makeup Magnet Mist. So okay, I'll be right back to give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, I am back. I don't think there's any product from this collection that I actually tried that I didn't like. Let's start from my least favorite to my favorite. My least favorite would be the foundation because I used it as a concealer because obviously I didn't have my shade, so I used it as a concealer, and in my opinion it's literally got little to no coverage, so I had to pack in quite a lot of it for me to be able to see some sort of coverage. So although I don't really need much, but still, like, I don't think it's got coverage. But people wear BB cream, so I guess some people are okay with something like that. But I like the way it felt. I love the way it felt on the skin. It didn't irritate my skin. Well, obviously I'm just using it for the first time, so I don't know about the irritation bit, but for now I love the way it looks. So this lip topper, I used it on my lips. To be honest, it was very, at the moment it's very comfortable, but I wish it was more reflective. That's what I would say. I wish it was more reflective, but it's very comfortable to wear on the lips. Like, it's not cracking, it looks nice. So, and that's usually what you're looking for in a lipstick or a lip topper. So yeah, it looks good. Obviously I didn't use this, but this I did use, and I love it. Come on, look at this. Actually, because I as a person, I hardly wear blushes. With this, I could actually wear more blushes. Like, this is my first time of using a reflective blush. Usually I go for the matte blushes, but I love the way this is looking. Okay, I didn't get to use this primer because, like I said, I've got dry skin, so I didn't use it. But if the other products I've used are any indication, I think it's gonna be good. Then these lipsticks are bomb. They are so diggity. They are so comfortable to wear, and it's easy, like, it dries so quickly. Okay, these are liquid lipsticks, right? Usually most liquid lipsticks, by now it will start cracking here or wherever, or it's gonna give you some weird lining here, but this does not. So, which is a plus, and is very comfortable to wear. So 2 pluses. And in my opinion, that is what I'm looking for in a liquid lipstick. So I don't know if I was praying for a miracle or something, but the liquid eyeshadow, I was thinking it was gonna dry a lot faster because, okay, inside my eyes, well, on these eyes anyway, it's very hooded, so if it doesn't dry, it starts cracking up. This side is hooded as well. Normally when I use liquid shadow, by the time it dries up, it gets flaky, which this doesn't. I am actually surprised, because normally by now it will be flaky, but this is not flaky, so this is good. Oh, I didn't even talk about this. This is very confusing, because when you spray it, it comes out a bit liquid. Then, and I'm thinking, am I supposed to spray it on my whole face? Or, because this thing is a bit, okay, it comes out liquid, but it's supposed to be jelly. So, and it says you should shake before use, close eyes and mist. Tap onto skin to fully absorb ingredients. So I guess it's supposed to be more liquid. I'm supposed to like spray it on my face directly, but I sprayed it somewhere else, then applied it on my face, so maybe I didn't use it properly. So this highlighter is popping. This is popping. I used this shade here, and look at it on my nose. Come on, can you guys see that? Yeah, okay, so if you can see it, then you know what I'm talking about. I think you guys should go check Pop Beauty out, because it's really good. Like, for all the ones I've actually tried on, I think it's really good. So, oh, if you guys are wondering why I used on my eyes, I used the Times Revolution palette. So I wanted to do like some sort of dramatic look, but I don't know, I came up with this. So, but I think if you guys want a tutorial on this look, it's gonna be on my Instagram, so you guys head over there and go check it out. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. If you guys have any questions, if you guys want to talk to me about anything, please let me know. Just write down in the comment section or DM me on Instagram or Facebook or whatever the case is. Just if you want to ask me anything, just let me know. So anyways, thank you so much, and remember, keep living and keep doing you. Ciao.